Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with my July favorites, showing you everything that I loved throughout the month of July. I've got some hair, skin, and makeup to talk about. If you're curious about this look, as always, everything that I'm wearing will be listed down below, but I did just do a get ready with me testing out some new makeup, so that video will be linked down below if you want to see me put it on, but let's go ahead and get started. So first up, let's talk about what's on my lips. I'm wearing a combo of two different lipsticks, or a lip gloss and a lipstick. So the lipstick is from Selena Gomez's new line. I have to say, I have fallen in love with Rare Beauty. I didn't have a good entry into it. I didn't love the foundation or the concealer. Perhaps I should revisit that, but everything else I've tried since has been really nice. And she recently came out with a line of lipsticks and lip liners. So I did swatch all of the lipsticks on my Instagram reel, so I'll link that down below if you want to check it out. But I'm wearing the shade Humble today, which I think is really pretty. I would normally not wear this out without a lip liner. It's definitely very nude. There's a lot of nudes and kind of pinky roses in the line, which I really appreciate. But I do think it is really, really pretty. It's a fun nude. It's comfortable. It's got kind of a satiny finish, I would say, maybe satin matte perhaps, but very comfortable. And then over it, I'm wearing, I picked this up in Italy, the Kiko Milano 3D Hydra lip gloss. So I will have a Kiko haul. If it's not already up on my Instagram, it's going. But this was one of the items that I picked up, and I haven't really been using the other items yet, but this one I've been using nonstop, and I was wearing it on my trip too. It has a little bit of color, a little bit of shimmer in there, but it's not a gritty, glittery kind of feel on the lips, which is really important to me. And it just looks really good on its own over other lipsticks, and it is in the shade 20, if I didn't say that. I wanted to mention this highlighter, even though it seems like it's on sale on Shoppers. I see it on Amazon. It might have been discontinued, but I love it. I love this whole line from Physicians Formula. It is the Rose All Day Petal Glow Highlighter in Freshly Picked. They came out with a bunch of shades, which were all gorgeous, had like these kind of pink undertones. But this really reminds me of the ironically also discontinued Puma highlighter from Maybelline, where it has this very strong goldy pink warm shift that just looks beautiful, incredible / beautiful on the skin. It looks beautiful on the, no, I just added another letter. Anyways. Looks beautiful on the skin, and the texture of this is gorgeous. Physicians Formula, their other highlighters are great, their bronzers are great, the textures feel really, really high end. So it is on sale on the Shoppers website now, which is a good time to pick it up because Physicians Formula Shoppers is definitely not the cheapest line out there, but I've been wearing this a lot, so I figured I would mention it because even if you can't pick it up, maybe you have it in your collection and you want to reach for it again. Two products from NARS that have been absolute staples in my collection ever since I got them. So the first is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I love this so much. I don't know how many times I've mentioned it in favorites, but the thing is that I continue to reach for it month to month. This is what I took with me when I traveled, albeit I didn't wear a lot of makeup. I just put it in, pumped it into like a little container because I know when I go somewhere hot, I end up almost never wearing foundation, especially as I get a tan. But I love this so much. I have a full review, which I'll link down below. My only note is that I wear Aruba in this when I normally wear Syracuse in the rest of the lines. But such a gorgeous formula. And then also from NARS, I've been wearing a ton of their Laguna Bronzing Cream in Laguna 03. There's 5 shades in the line. I can get away with 02 as well, which is Casino. This is one of my favorite cream bronzers out there. Beautiful texture. I like the brush that comes with it as well. It's something a little bit more dense, which I historically haven't really used for cream bronzers, but the shade is great. I gave this to my friend last year because I knew they were discontinuing it. Oh, there goes Emily. It's poop time. But she's been using it nonstop, and I was like, oh, I have another one, I'll bring it to you. And she's like, do you think I've even gotten close to getting through it? So you can really, really get a lot of good use out of this, and it's not as hard to use. I mean, there's so many cream bronzers out there. It can get a little bit overwhelming, but this NARS one is top notch for me. This is another product that I've mentioned before, and I feel like I've got a couple of repeats in here, but the thing is with favorites, it's like, I want to be honest with you with what I'm using. I'm not just going to grab like anything just to talk about it for the sake of it. It's like, this is truly what I've been reaching for, and not that I'm in a makeup rut, but I'm kind of in like a, I know I like this, you know, it doesn't feel like a rut at least. So I've been using a lot of this, again, MAC blush in Pinch Me. It is one of their sheer tone blushes. MAC blushes for me were always elite. They still are some of my favorite. Copper Tone, Gingerly, Fleur Power. There's amazing shades in there. So if you want to, like, I just noticed myself doing this. I'm like, I just got back from Italy. But anyways, made myself laugh. But if you happen to, you know, see MAC or you want to spend a little money, you want to go in and be like, what should I buy? Obviously their lipsticks are great, but their blushes are amazing. Emily's in the litter. Pinch Me, I love it. And she's on to run. Okay. Another product that I've mentioned a bunch that I love so much, and it's almost empty. Definitely will repurchase this, the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Glow. Such a huge fan of all of their setting sprays. D-Slick was where I started, then I became an all-nighter girl, then I became an all-nighter Ultra Glow girl. Really beautiful, beautiful, like you get the mist. Like Urban Decay does setting sprays. They know it, they're amazing. So it's just kind of a matter of which one's gonna work best for you. And this one is my favorite because it gives me the power of the all-nighter to keep my makeup in place, but it leaves my skin looking hydrated. It's not glowy in the sense that there's any glitter or shimmer in here. It just looks a little bit more hydrated on the skin, but I don't find it to be greasy. Obviously, if you're super oily, if you're not going for that look, there's also the Ultra Matte, which I don't have as much experience with, but the original all-nighter is good for everybody too, but the Ultra Glow is just really stunning. I hadn't used a vitamin C in my skincare routine for a little while, not for any particular reason. I ran out of the one I was using and I just was kind of using what I had in my sort of skincare setup, but I decided it was time to add some vitamin C back in because it's crucial, and I don't know what I was doing, but I definitely noticed a difference now that I've added vitamin C back in. I always do, but especially with this one is such an iconic one. You see it at a lot of derm clinics and whatnot with good reason. So it's the I always do this. SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic Antioxidant Serum, and this is their vitamin C. Doesn't matter, you don't have to get the SkinCeuticals one, but having a vitamin C in your skincare routine, using it in the morning, really will make such a difference no matter your skin type. Again, it's a matter of finding one that works for you. They have one that's actually suited for oily skin too, or I think we're acne prone. This is just sort of their original, helps to brighten the skin, it helps with discoloration, dullness, everything just looks better. If anything, I think it actually helps with my acne too. So I don't know if that's true, but I feel like just overall my skin always appreciates a great vitamin C, and this is one of the best. I've been having a lot of hair struggles lately, so I've been trying to go above and beyond to care for my hair. And one of the things I've been using and really quite enjoying, I've kept it out because this is the type of product that I'll receive in PR or I'll buy and then never use. It's the Way Scalp Serum. It supports thicker, fuller hair, and as you can see, I've used quite a bit of it. I probably use too much, honestly. But as soon as I get out of the shower, I just put this at my roots. It doesn't make them, I mean, nothing makes my roots oily, but it doesn't make them oily. It doesn't really do anything to my hair necessarily because I'm kind of just rubbing it at my scalp and right at my roots, so it doesn't really affect the styling of my hair, but I do feel like it is helping. It's really lightweight, and it seems to be hydrating. It says it helps to balance and hydrate your scalp to create an environment for thicker, fuller hair. Drop daily on your scalp for best results. So I've really been using daily because I don't wash my hair every day, but I have been liking that. And then when we're talking washing my hair, I love this. I love Pantene Gold Series, one of my favorite hair care lines. So excited that it's in Canada, and I'm so excited that they repackaged it. It looks gorgeous. So this is the Gold Series from Pantene, available at Walmart in Canada. This is the cleansing conditioner, which I love. I've got a video on my favorite co-washes. I also have a video on my favorite vitamin C, so I'll link those both below. But basically you use this like a shampoo, but it also conditions your hair. It's not a 2-in-1 or 7-in-1 body wash, face wash, car wash, that kind of thing. It says it has biotin and coconut oil, I think, cleanses and conditions, low lather, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and great for curls. And I use this on the days where I want to wash my hair but I don't want to shampoo. I'll shampoo at most once a week, depending on like how much product I'm using on my hair, and then kind of use this in between. Really love it. Super, super affordable. Great for travel too if you don't want to have to take a shampoo and conditioner if you're only going for like a couple of days or a week. So that is everything that I love this month. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below what you have been loving, and as always, if you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at SamanthaJaneYT, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!